from Sunbury Ladies. My name is Kanika. I am a staff working at Chameleon Home for children living with disabilities, and some of them also living with HIV. The home is taking care of the children, this group of children like families. So the children in our care, they will get the rehabilitation according to their disabilities. So thank you so much for joining such a good event today, for raising the fund to help our children at Chameleon Home. With your support, the Chameleon Home can run our work to help children with disabilities and also living with HIV more and more. Thank you so much. ขอบคุณค่ะ
Thank you ขอบคุณครับ